Welcome back to another edition of Solve. Today we are working on a 2012 Ford Fiesta SE. Vehicle came in for diagnostics because it wouldn't start and it wouldn't go in reverse. After speaking with the customer, they realized that they received a letter from Ford with a bulletin number 14M as in Mary 02, 14M02. This is a campaign that has been extended to all Ford vehicles that are within the range of the specific VIN number. So please check your VIN number, call your dealership, and see if this is covered. And what it is the transmission TCM is having an issue. So when they replace it under warranty, you bring it into Ford. Fortunately, this Ford dealership happened to have this in stock, and that's it right there. That is what helps control shifting. Upon acceleration, it runs really rough. It's a little bit bucking. So if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, contact your local Ford dealership and see if your vehicle is covered. It is completely free if your vehicle qualifies, and it'll save you about $1,500. So before you go to transmission shop or anything else, if your vehicle is not performing correctly, contact your local Ford dealership. Give them your VIN number and see if your VIN number falls into the campaign bulletin for the TCM recall. They extended it even if your vehicle is over 10 years old. Like, for example, this is a 2012, and we just got this performed yesterday, and today is August 9th, Wednesday, 2023. They actually had it in stock. They did it same day. Very impressed by Ford for being able to take it in, fix it, and send it home in the same day repaired. That's it for this video, everybody. Just a little short video to hopefully help you out if you're experiencing similar issues. I will try to include a printout of the campaign, or at least a picture of it, and hopefully that'll help you. Either way, I will, if I'm not able to add the photo of it that I screenshotted, then I will type it up for you in the description. So make sure you check that. Thanks so much for watching another edition of Solved. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. And if this video has helped you, or you know somebody it can help, please share it with them. That's what we're here to do, to help everybody. Okay, have a great day, everybody.